Where is the best candy made? Right here at Just Born in Bethlehem, PA. Our team from Trexler Middle School had the opportunity to interview employees of Just Born to learn how raw ingredients become the sweetest treats we all love so much.
Just Born began in 1923 by Sam Bourne. While looking for the best jelly bean recipe, he stumbled upon the iconic marshmallow peep. Peeps have come a long way in design and manufacturing.
6 minutes to make something that took so long before is such a manufacturing feat, and how they were able to automate that process is just so amazing and so essential to our success and this future of this brand.
Despite the integration of machinery created specially for Just Born, there are still many candy makers on the manufacturing floor.
Meg Dowd works in Corporate Affairs Division. She really cares about the community and supporting the community.
We've been really fortunate at Just Born to be able to continue to make product and continue to be out in the community.
Farouk Naqui, a manufacturing systems specialist, finds the machine that picks up the marshmallow peeps really fantastic.
There are these finger-like robots which are picking peeps. It used to take 50 people to pack peeps. Now with the soft robotics, it's picking peeps with a robotic arm.
Charlotte Edwards, a senior packaging engineer, makes sure that each sweet treat arrives to the retailer safe and fresh.
We have a quality assurance team, and their job is to make sure that we are not only complying with safety regulations, but also making sure that the seals on the package are of good quality and they won't open up and expose the peeps to air and cause them to go stale. From more of a outer case and safety standpoint, we really do a lot of package testing to ensure that the packages will arrive there safely.
From the sweetest manufacturer in the world to your home, Just Born Quality Confections is
what's so cool about manufacturing.